TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee, folks. We've got a beautiful 500-gallon TMG pit on our skid package. Guys, I've kind of come to know something over the past couple builds here. I love a skid package. I mean, there's just something about it. Really highlights the tank instead of seeing on a trailer off-road package. Shows off all our fabrication skills. Obviously, we got some very talented guys and gals in the shop, and they just come knock out when they come on the skid package. So, plus we can get them done a little quicker for you. Trick there, a little tidbit. But on our 500-gallon pit, guys, this is standard. Everything you see here is standard. If you go on our website, look at our 500-gallon pit, this is how it comes right here. Counterweighted doors, fold down stack, standard on a 500. We'll open her up here. Now this is our patina finish as well. All right, what that is, we have a pretty good selection of tanks here at the shop, and we'll send you pictures of them. You go out, pick the one you want. We'll work on it. When we get done with it, 3 coats, a high gloss clear coat, kind of locks in that patina. Looks great. Every single one looks a little different. That's what we like about them. On the inside here, we got full bottom racks here. Now they do not slide out, but they are removable, so you can pull them up out of there for cleaning. Both sliding top racks. Guys, all of our tank smokers come standard with top racks in them. Got the drip guard on the door. TMG Pits Tell Truth thermometers on the side there. Like I mentioned earlier, our skid package. 1.5-inch ball valve grease drain on the bottom down there. Come around to our firebox. Same deal, guys. All of our tank smokers get an insulated firebox. That's the only way we build them. Just makes them run very smooth, very efficient. Really a big advantage to the tank smoker there. We got a 24-inch pipe on the inside, wrapped with insulation. As you can see, that door, that sucker's insulated. The front of it's insulated as well. A real cool air intake system there. You can see that. Got a lock for the handle as well. So guys, that is TMG's 500-gallon on skids. Guys, we'll do 250, 330, 500, 1,000-gallon all on skids. They look great. Don't take up a lot of room, so perfect for your catering gig. Hey guys, $10,999, guys. I mean, it's hard to beat that. Hard to beat that. So y'all know the deal. You need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.